Good morning, what's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I know it's been a few days since I've updated you here on this channel, so I do want to make it up to you. I did make you a promise that every week I will make a video, guys, showing you my trades. Alright guys, so I know I haven't uploaded for like 6-7 days, but today guys, I just want to take you on a little journey with me. I know you guys want to see the trades that I've made in the past 3 days, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you Monday's trade, Tuesday's trade, and Wednesday's trade, which is today, which hasn't happened yet, so we're gonna do this together in this video live. But I also just want to take you on a vlog kind of video and just show you what I do for a living. Well, not for a living, but what I do, because that's the reality, and I think instead of me having to talk about it, it's best if I show you. Now, here's the thing guys, I just came back from my accountant. A lot of you heard me talk about me moving over from Ireland over here to Malta a few months ago for taxation purposes. And the accountant just said to me today, we're now officially paying tax here in Malta, and that's the good news. Now, that's the good news for traders. You don't have to pay tax until a year later, so you don't have to worry about tax, guys, to begin with. So yeah, let's go over back here and let's make some trades happen, and let me just break it down for you guys. But before that, let's get this chopped off. When we come back, we're gonna go through these trades together. Alright guys, so we're just back from the barber shop. They were putting all these clays and whatnot. I shared on my Instagram. My favorite part of it actually cutting my hair, but I cut my hair really short, guys, for a reason. And I know it's a sensitive subject, but usually for men, but usually guys, when the sun hits my hair, it dries up and it starts falling, so I have to shave it off just to keep it short, and then it grows even stronger. So with that being said guys, we've got about 15 minutes to go till market opening, and basically I'm here analyzing the stocks, guys, as usual, and basically 15 minutes is how long left. So with that being said, before I go in and find the stocks we're gonna trade, let me just go through the trades I made on Monday. On Monday, guys, we only came out with $150 profit because I went in with a small position because I wasn't really excited about the market and the trade that I was making, so I had to minimize risk by going in with a small position, and I only came out with $150 profit. On Tuesday, however, we came out with $1,000 profit on 2 trades. One of them called Momo, we went in long, came out with $400 or $600 profit. And then the next trade was a short position on SJM, again $400 profit, and the chat got to do well and got to kill it. The Discord chat follows the same style of trading that I teach here, or teach you guys, or taught them in the first place, because we know the patterns, the behaviors, we analyze very good, and all of these things link together, guys. So history does repeat itself, like I said in many videos. So 1,150 in the last 2 days. Now I know it's not much, but here's the deal, guys. All of these trades lasted 15 minutes. So in total, I spent 30 minutes in 2 days, right? To make that money in the first place. And again, these are high cap stocks. High cap stocks move less than a penny stocks. So obviously the returns won't be as great if you're day trading high cap stocks. So let's go find the stocks we're gonna trade, guys. I'll keep you updated in a few minutes, and we're gonna go through that trade together. So catch you guys in a few seconds. Alright guys, so market opens in 3 minutes. Basically we've got Keith here, the king of the memes, always sending a meme out. He's always photoshopping me in these memes, but anyways, it's funny. But again guys, we're ready to go. We've got 2 stocks loaded up, ADS, Tiffany's. We're gonna trade one of those stocks. I'm hoping to short this stock and also shorten that stock, or maybe long on the reversal. But again, they all know the setup, they all know the way we're gonna trade this. So let's kill it, guys, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright guys, so 320, let's take that profit. ADS 320 short position, there's the entry, and here's the current price, and let's just get rid of that trade and walk away with the profit handed to us. Okay, the guys from the Discord chat killing it. All right, trading the same trades that I put out there for you guys. 204 minutes on that trade. Here's more reviews up there. It's the same guy. Profit, 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 profit. Okay, so that was a perfect pattern that we anticipated, guys. So the chat is doing well, and it's only 10 minutes in, guys. It's only 10 minutes into stock market opening. Alright guys, so that trade lasted 10 minutes. We came out with $350 profit on a small position. We took $1.50 or $1.80 on that. And that's the beauty of these earner reports and news. They move the stocks, you know, by 10-20%. And as you've seen, it wasn't just me that got to do well. The majority of the chat is doing well here, and I can't really share everything, but they're still typing. There's more of them killing it. But that's the beauty of the stock market, guys. It's a university degree that you'll never graduate from. Every single day you will learn something new, time and time again. Now this trade is a pattern that we followed, which has repeated itself a million times. Now I know 1,400 in the space of 3 days isn't much to many people, but I'm comfortable with that. That's what I like to make, and I go in with small positions, you know, well timed and small positions in the first place, because I'm not the kind to just accumulate my money and whatnot and build it up. I always take my winnings and put them in my bank account and just repeat myself with the capital I started with. Some of you might build up your account and then go in and increase positions over time, but for me, I trade high cap stocks with a certain capital, and basically if you trade penny stocks, the returns will be greater than this. But that's trading in general. It's all based on how much you want from the market. Again, you noticed on Monday we made 150, on Tuesday 1,000, today 350, tomorrow we make 1,000 maybe, or lose money, I don't know. It's unpredictable, but again, 80-90% of the time you should be coming out profitable, right? And that's what makes you successful in the long term, is when you make it 80-90% of the time in the stock market. Now I follow the pattern, I follow the behavior, and that's what makes you consistent, is that you follow these patterns, right? I know some of you might be stuck with how you're trading, and you have to just open up your mind to something else, guys, and learn something new. All right guys, so we're done with this. I'm actually gonna go to the beach, and when I come back, I'm gonna be kicking it here and researching for tomorrow and finding out the stocks that I'm about to trade. Because when I wake up, I want to be on top of my game, guys. I don't really have to struggle and stress and trying to find out what stocks and just rush into things. I'm already ready before the night before. So after I go to the beach, guys, I'll come back and do the research. So I want you to know, even if you live in a tropical place like I do, a lot of you have been asking, Zed, when are you coming back from holiday? I'm not on holiday, guys. I live here, all right? And this brings me to my next point of taxation. I think I made a video about that previously. If you really want to pay your tax as a trader, you want to know how? Well, it's this: profits minus losses equals taxable income, capital gains tax, or you can pay it as an LLC. It's up to you at the end of the day, right? Yeah, and you can find ways to reduce your tax at the end of the day, but don't worry about that, because you have to pay that a year later. You don't have to worry about that to begin with, guys. But that's trading in general, guys. You know, when I go out now, I'm gonna have fun, but trading is gonna be in the back of my mind always. Obviously nowadays it's less, because I'm not really focused on the market like I used to. I trade high cap stocks. It's less stressful for me. I mean, I know what I'm doing nowadays. So to begin with, you might find it a little bit stressful, guys, because, you know, it's a new skill you have to learn, and just like any new skill, you have to put in time and dedication to learn it. And it's gonna be on your mind 24/7, so that's how you know you're really dedicated towards the market and trading, because it's on your mind 24/7. I know some of you relate to what I'm talking about here. But that's it, guys. I gotta go. See you guys for more videos. Gonna go to the beach. You'll probably see a snap from me on Instagram. Follow me there if you haven't already, guys, and I'll see you for more videos just like always. Peace.